Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to perform an inverse measurement with Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. So what an inverse allows you to do is see the distance and bearing between a set of 2 points. So what I've done to begin here is I have created 2 points. So if we go into my project data and points menu here, you can see that we have 2 points, one at 100 meters east and then one at 101 meters to the east. So what we should have is 2 points that are a meter apart and then at a bearing of 90 degrees from one another. So if I back out of this menu here and head back to my main menu, what I'm now going to do is show you the 2 different methods for performing an inverse. So my first option here is to go to the bottom and select calculations, and then in my top left corner here, inverse, which will bring up my menu here. And you can see that I now need to enter 2 points, a start point and an end point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select point 1 as my start point and point 2 as my end point. And then in the bottom left corner, you can see that we got the numbers we expected, a bearing of 90 degrees and a distance of 1 meter. So there's one other method we can use to perform the inverse, and that's from the map screen. So what we're going to do now is we're going to close this inverse menu with the X there in the top left corner. And once we close out, we're going to be brought to our main survey screen. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select point 1, and it's going to bring up my point options here. And I'm going to choose inverse there, the last option at the bottom right. And then I'm going to select point 2 as my end point. And you can see here, again, I'm getting that calculation of a bearing of 90 degrees and a distance between the 2 points of 1 meter. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you perform an inverse between 2 points in Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.